Okay, this is the unboxing of the 36-gallon undercarriage Fresh and Greywater tank for the Ram ProMasters. And this box weighs, the whole thing's like 47 pounds. This is pretty much how it came. It was shipped via FedEx. And you can see that the box did get banged up a bit, but it looks like it's probably okay. So let's go ahead and open her up and see what we got. Okay. So we have a bracket here, and you can see it's got the rubber gasket that will protect the tank. We've got a second bracket with, it's obviously angled differently, so one of these goes in the front and one of them goes in the back. This one, as you can see, also has the protective layer here. So that's what will actually mount the tank to the underside of the van. We've got a collection of random plus nuts and bolts, and I assume that that's the right collection. This is the plus nut tool that installs them. And this is the tank. And so this is the top of the tank. The newer ProMasters don't actually need this cutout because I understand this is for the emergency brake, but the newer ProMasters have a digital brake, so they don't need that. So this goes to the center of the van, and this part down here goes to the passenger side. So on the center side, you see we have an inlet here that we can use. That looks like it's probably 1.5 inches. Here we have 1.5 inches. And we've got a 1/2 inch, and the 1/2 inch actually is open. So that can either be a drain or whatever it needs to be. So that's what we have on the center line of the van side. On the top, we have what looks to be around a 3/4, and that's actually open. And then we've got another 1.5 inches that's closed off. So one of these will be the level sensor, and one of them is probably either the, I don't know.
The inlet?
Yeah, an inlet, drain, you know, we can use it for whatever we want. No pre-plumbed things on this end. This end's actually going to be real close to the exhaust for the van, so you probably wouldn't want to have any openings there anyway. Nothing on this end, and you can see that this goes to the front of the van, and this goes to the back of the van. So it's actually a little bit deeper on the front than it is on the back. And this is actually the passenger side, and this is the center line of the van. And you can see that this is actually not as deep as this is. So this right here is the low point on the entire tank. And so if we look at the other end, so we do have one inlet down here that we can cut out if we need to and feed things in from the back of the van. Look at this end, we've got what looks like an old sticker here. It looks like this was made in maybe December of 2024 would be my guess. But there you have it. It's the 36-gallon Undermount Greywater tank, freshwater tank. We're going to use it for Greywater. So if you want to see this actually get installed, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and we will go through the installation process on all this over the coming days, weeks, and months. Thank you.